Thinking about those tips to stay hydrated, we know you may also be planning for your own fireworks show this weekend. And that's since most of the big ones, they are canceled this year. But you'll want to make sure that you don't get in over your head. We got a first-hand demonstration of what a misfired firework can do. And check this out.
So we're going to show the power of a mortar in this tough watermelon is going to be. So it's simulating someone putting this in their hand or around their face. So we'll get her lit here, move away. And that could have been somebody's body part.
So that's the problem. It could be someone's body part. We're playing this now in slow motion so you can see what we're talking about here. Like he said, that melon could be your head or any other limb if you're not careful. So before you light off anything, you want to make sure there's a clear, open space outside where you are launching. No buildings, no trees. Keep everyone back except for the person lighting the fireworks. That person should be a responsible adult, and give someone a hose or bucket of water to stand by in case there is a fire. Now, if you want to leave things up to the professionals, we do have a list of fireworks shows that are still happening. Just look on the front page of fox59.com.